Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to take a bit of a run. I'm going to go down and see my daughter. It's getting kind of late, so it should be pretty cool. The cars going past. And we're just going to take a 6-mile run down to see my daughter. Let's go then. Let's get this going. I sure do hope I've tightened up my back wheel enough after putting the hitch on it. But like it says, it's restricted again, so we're doing 15 mile an hour. But the big hill that I showed you be coming up, the biggest hill in this area, we're about to go down it now. That's us heading down now. So usually get to about 38 mile an hour down here, so that's pretty cool. Down the hill, so pure gravity. Yeah, we'll just take a nice little run on the bike, yeah. So just a nice little jaunt, yeah. I've got them charged up and ready to go as well, so that's good. So I can use my indicators. This is back down to the 15 miles per hour. Just lightly pedalling. Quite a nice little cycle this down to my daughter's bit there. It's quite good. It's about 6 miles. Oh, got a car behind me. That's good that people they always give you good room. They're pretty good in Scotland there. They usually give you quite a lot of room, yeah? And even although you're lightly pedalling, you're still quite tired. You still get quite tired, even though you're not really putting the effort in, yeah? Oh, beat this car. There we go, get my indicators ready. There we go, indicators on. Excellent. Don't know about you guys, but 15 mile an hour seems very slow. It seems too slow to be feasible, yeah? They should make it at least 20 miles per hour. Well, whatever you guys think, put it in the description at the bottom and tell me if you think it should be 20 miles per hour for a e-bike, or do you think the 15 is fast enough? Because theirs is going down a hill and we're now up to 25 mile an hour, just letting gravity take us, yeah? So it's kind of weird why they would say only 15. And the weird thing is as well is, I've actually got a full motorcycle licence. I used to drive the Hayabusa. So I went from Busa to bike. And we're just rolling and not even doing anything, just letting it roll. Save all your power. I see they put up a new mast there. There's a 5G mast, I hope not. indicators certainly come in handy. Hope this camera's picking it up okay for you guys. I still can't quite get it to upload to YouTube at 4K, but by the time you do the compression, it seems to you lose a lot of quality, yeah? So I'll need to figure that one out. Just jogging along at 15 miles per hour, lightly pedaling. I do like the Candace sensor this has. I think I prefer that to a torque sensor, yeah. I do like the Candace sensor because you just lightly pedaling, boof, it just takes off, gets you to the right speed. You get a little bit of exercise as well, it's pretty cool. Rolling down the hill, we're up to nearly 20 miles per hour just rolling down the hill. I never should have took the lock off of it. You see, after feeling it with the unlocked, 15 seems very, very slow. I guess at this speed you're saving power, I think, yeah. I will have to get a bigger battery. This has got a 15 ampere battery on it, and I'll be lucky if I'm getting 18 miles or something, maybe 20 miles out of this. So yeah, maybe I'll need to go for maybe a 25 ampere battery or something, juice it up a bit, or put a second battery in, yeah. Nice leisure cruise. Yeah, when you've got it restricted like this, you cannot be in a hurry. You've just got to bob along, you know. The next video we'll do will be a nighttime shot, so that'll be pretty cool. I'll do that tomorrow, or on the way home. I'll shoot a second video on the way home if I wait till it's dark. That way you can get to see what the light is like. So that's what we'll do. I'll wait until it gets dark, then I'll shoot a second video. The time I upload them and stuff like that, it should be the next day and then the next day, yeah? So 2 videos ready in one go, yeah? I'm trying to get longer footage and that, but yeah, not so easy. Well, we came down that big hill doing 38 mile an hour, which is not bad, that's pretty good. Just for gravity taking us down. Well, that's a hell of a hill to climb up right now. It's a steep one to climb, even with the power, yeah. I wonder if you can actually register these straight out of the box. Get them registered for on the road, that would be pretty cool. I wouldn't mind paying insurance and stuff on it, yeah. Oh, they've seem to be blocked off the bridge. I hope I can get through here. Oh, nice timing. What have we got here? Oh shit. Yeah, I can't get through here, I don't think. Maybe do a bit of off-roading now. Nah, I can't get through there. I'll need to go all the way around. God damn it. Well, don't damn it, you know what I mean? But they're cleaning out the canal, so looks like I'm going to have to go all the way around. That's annoying. Okay, we'll do it, we'll get there. We'll go all the way around. It adds about an extra mile though to the journey, yeah, so this is the things we've got to do. See, we're going down a hill now, doing 19-20 mile an hour, heading downhill, just freewheeling, yeah. That's why I think it should be this speed anyway. I think we should be allowed to do 20, but I suppose 15 is still fine, yeah, still fine. Considering you don't have to spend any money on tax or MOT or nothing, yeah, just a bicycle route. I don't like the idea of having to go all the way around here though. It's nice and bouncy this bike though. You don't feel any bumps, just bounce, bounce, bounce. That's the canal being drained there. Must be cleaning it all up. It's good to see. And there's the new, right ahead of us, that big building ahead of us as we come up to the roundabout. That's actually the new distillery, the whiskey distillery. So we might actually do a tour around that. We'll see if we can organise a tour. And we'll go in there and have a look around the Rosebank Whiskey Distillery. That looks nice, all the windows and stuff, looks really good, the Rosebank. That's cool. That truck just told me to stand clear. That is well cool. There we go, we're on the bicycle lane now, so that's good. Get on the bicycle lane. Oh, that dog wanted to attack us there. Tiny little dog like that. You know, often find that the little dogs are quite brave, yeah? There's people will be thinking I'm talking to myself. Yeah. Look at that nutter talking to himself. So I had to go all the way around, adding extra miles to my trip. We're almost there. Indicate to come in here. Much safer with the indicators. There we go. Shouldn't really cut the corner there, but there's nothing there, so it doesn't matter. We're almost there. That's me done 210 miles now on this thing. So it's been basically 8 miles we just travelled there. It's pretty cool. Okay, that's me here. Just got to go into our house now. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. That was a 6 mile run. Well, 8 miles because I had to go all the way around, but it didn't take long. It was pretty quick, yeah. I think because most of it was downhill. On the way home it'll be a much different story. Okay guys, I'll catch you later. You have a nice day now. And if you're, as usual, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And catch you later guys. Have a good one.